pipe bending technology. In fact, I don't know a lot about this, but I do know a man who does. Tom from AMOB, tell me what your new technology, if I can say it, is.
This is our new AMOB 52 two-bend. It does left and right hand bending in cycles.
So we're at AMOB, but this is an EMOB.
Fully electric, multi-stack, left and right hand bending machine. If you come and have a look at this simulator here, you'll see that it bends clockwise, head drops down, swivels, goes back up, and now we're bending counterclockwise.
So that is braking technology, or bending technology for those pipe benders out there in a nutshell.
Correct.
Okay, now look at this machine very quickly. What sort of length will you go to?
This is a 4 metre useful length machine. It's 52mm diameter, can bend stainless, copper, mild steel, and everything in between.
Can you go longer?
You can go longer, yes, up to 12 metres.
Wow, and diameter, can you go wider?
We can, yes. You can go all the way up to 225mm diameter.
There you go, impressive stuff from Tom, his EMOB at AMOB.